Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to cover the process of making these three homemade products that we can use for the better growth of the plants. Homemade compost, fermented banana water and organic insecticide. I will take you through the process in detail in this video. So let's get started. Firstly, I will explain how to prepare our own compost. For this you need mix of vegetable peels, green leftovers, citrus rind, dry leaves, water and some soil. We have to add all these components in layers. Let's see how to make that. Take some dry leaves and put inside the bucket as a first layer. On top of it, place the mix of leftover veggies and fruits as the next layer. Cover these two layers with some soil completely, the way I am showing now. Add some water to it to keep the soil moist for better decomposition. Repeat the same process until the bucket is full. Cover with a lid and leave it for almost a month. It would be better to sprinkle water after every 4 days to keep it moist. In interest of time, I am showing this compost which I have already prepared and it's been a month now. This is how it looks. Here, I would like to add a point. You need to make holes to the container in which you are going to prepare the compost to get proper aeration. You can use this homemade compost in place of vermicompost the way I have shown in the previous video. Now I will explain you the process of making organic insecticide. Take some green chilies and garlic. Crush it manually or you can use a grinder to make paste. Put the mixture into the buttermilk. Stir it properly and cover this with something. Let it ferment for a few days. It usually takes 3 to 4 days. After proper fermentation, filter this mixture and fill it in a spray bottle. Done. Your homemade insecticide is ready. Note, you need to spray this only when the plants gets affected from insects. Now, let's see how to make fermented banana water. Take some banana peels and put these into the water. Store this solution for 4 to 5 days. Banana is a rich source of potassium, which indeed helps in growth of plants. After completion of 4 to 5 days, remove the banana peels from the water. Now, take this fermented banana water into a separate container. And add equal level of water to this container to dilute this fermented liquid. Your fermented banana water is ready. You can pour small quantity of this solution to the plants. I hope you all like this video. In case if you are implementing these procedures at your terrace garden, please don't forget to write down your experiences in the below comment section. Very soon, we are planning to introduce arts and crafts videos through this channel. I am pretty sure after watching these arts and crafts videos, you will be in a position to design your own simple interiors for your beautiful home. Please do subscribe and share it. Thank you.